Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send a zip file using Google Drive. Whether we are sharing multiple files at once or sending a large folder, we will guide you through the quick and easy steps to upload and share it securely. Now let's get started. On the Google Drive dashboard, we select the file to upload by clicking the New button. But before that, we need to have a zip file ready. Here, we have a zip file as an example. We will upload this zip file now. We just need to click File Upload and choose the zip file we want to upload. As you can see, the zip file is now uploading. We just wait for it to finish, and once it's done, it will show as complete. As you can see, it is a zip file. Now, if we want to share it, we just need to right-click the zip file we uploaded and then click Share, and click Share again. Once we're here, we need to change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link, so we can share it via a link. Now we copy the link and click Done. We can now send the link to our workmates, teammates, friends, or anyone we want to share this zip file with. And that's it. The zip file is now uploaded and ready to share via Google Drive. With this method, sharing multiple files has never been easier.